Hello guys. Do you know where the first baseball stadium was built? Or which state has the first daily newspaper? The answer to this question is Pennsylvania State. Continuing the playlist about the American states, today I'm going to cover general facts about Pennsylvania, its geography, economy, education, and sports. Stay tuned to learn more. If you don't know us, we are the Evolving Knowledge Channel. We make short videos about science and humanities. Let's go. Pennsylvania, officially the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, is a state in the Mid-Atlantic, Northeastern region of the United States. It is bordered by Delaware to the southeast, Maryland to the south, West Virginia to the southwest, Ohio to the west, Lake Erie and the Canadian province of Ontario to the northwest, New York to the north, and New Jersey to the east. This is the flag of Pennsylvania, and its nickname is the Keystone State. It has this nickname because Pennsylvania was considered the keystone of the original 13 colonies in the early United States. Pennsylvania is the 33rd largest state by area and the 5th most populous state of America. The state's two most populous cities are Philadelphia and Pittsburgh. The state capital and its 13th largest city is Harrisburg, with a population of around 40,000 people. Philadelphia is one of the oldest municipalities in the United States. Philadelphia remained the nation's largest city until being overtaken by New York City in 1790. The city was also one of the nation's capitals during the Revolution, serving as temporary U.S. capital while Washington, D.C. was under construction. Pittsburgh is known both as the Steel City for its more than 300 steel-related businesses and as the City of Bridges for its 446 bridges. Weather. These are the average temperature of Pennsylvania. Of course, the weather will change depending on where you are in the state, but these are averages, considering the low and high sides. Usually, the coldest months are November, December, January, and February. On average, about 40 inches, 1,000 millimeters, of precipitation fall in the state annually. Economy. Pennsylvania GDP contributes 3.8% of the country's gross domestic product. It ranks the state in the 6th position. Today the most important industries are finance, insurance, real estate, and rental. Coming in the second is the professional and business services. Education. If you are looking good education, there are excellent universities in Pennsylvania, such as the University of Pennsylvania. It is a private Ivy League research university founded in 1740, ranked in the 8th position in the country's best universities. Other important universities are Carnegie Mellon University, ranked 26th, and Lehigh University, ranked number 49 on the best universities list. Sports. Pennsylvania is home to many major league professional sports teams, the Philadelphia Phillies and Pittsburgh Pirates of Major League Baseball, the Philadelphia 76ers of the National Basketball Association, the Pittsburgh Steelers, and Philadelphia Eagles of the National Football League, the Philadelphia Flyers and Pittsburgh Penguins of the National Hockey League. Tourism. The Eastern State Penitentiary is a former American prison in Philadelphia. Phipps Conservatory and Botanical Gardens were founded in 1893 and Lancaster Central Market is a historic public market located in Penn Square. Until 2005, the market was the oldest municipally operated market in the United States. The National Civil War Museum, located at 1 Lincoln Circle at Reservoir Park in Harrisburg. Hershey's Chocolate World is the name of 8 visitor centers that started in Hershey, Pennsylvania. Hi guys, we are at the end of another video. I hope you had learned a lot about Pennsylvania. Before we close out this video, please support our work by liking the video and subscribing to the Evolving Knowledge channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.